We all know we have to save the earth. We all know that cows go moo. So let's try to go a bit greener each day. As we are a 100% vending and online sports retailer, we want people to be healthier, happier, and fitter. As protein is a necessary staple of our diets, and it's a little hard to come by in the vegan realm, www.CRAZYBADMAN.com is launching a series of easy-to-make, high-protein vegan recipes. Let's go! Just go to www.CRAZYBADMAN.com, click on supplements, hit protein and aminos, halal/vegan, and find vegan protein. We ship globally so everyone can enjoy the fluffiness of life. Bye!